Oh, what you got there?
Linda, what did we get?
What's in there?
Are you gonna do your video tonight?
That's ridiculous. The win?
Okay, so this is pretty awesome. We've got 3 meals packaged up nicely in here. We've got some meat on the bottom. Which one do we want to start with tonight?
Pork Bulgogi.
Pork Bulgogi Meatballs.
Korean.
We should have everything we need right in here.
All right, Rachel and I are having a mini date night, doing some pork bulgogi. What do you think? They're gonna be pretty good?
I hope so. I'm starving.
Well, they're super easy to make. I love how HelloFresh just like sends pictures and these easy steps to follow.
So this isn't necessarily a New Year's resolution, but it is a fairly new goal of ours to not eat out so much.
Yeah.
We've gotten out of hand.
We spend so much money eating out, it's ridiculous.
It is. And just being like haphazard in the grocery store and just like getting random stuff that we never end up using. So one of our goals, and especially since we're gonna be building our house soon, is to save money, eat in more. HelloFresh makes that super easy. You get things that are in season, in the right quantities, delivered right to your door every single week. So you can stick to your goals of whatever your goal is. If it's weight loss, if it's cooking in the house more, eating out less, whatever it is, you can stick to those goals easily.
We usually cook after the babies go down, so like 8 o'clock. So it's good. Usually only about 2 pans, and cleanup is a breeze.
So when we first moved in with my parents, we were trying to be like even on who would cook. And so like every other night or a couple nights a week, it would be our turn. And I was super guilty of always doing a stir fry. So I'm in like a huge recipe rut. And if you leave me to my own devices, I'm just gonna grab a bunch of stuff and make a stir fry. So HelloFresh is nice because it broadens your horizons. It gives you new ingredients to try that you maybe never would have bought.
It's awesome to have some bulgogi because I lived in Korea for a couple of years and we used to eat this all the time. So it's cool to be able to eat it again.
Yeah, so HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit.
Is this a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
Is it capital or lowercase?
Capital.
Tablespoon. Men.
Oh.
So it goes without saying, HelloFresh has made our lives a lot easier. I look forward to like getting our HelloFresh package. I don't know, it's something about it. It's all insulated and it's all neat in there. I showed a clip of it earlier and it's exciting to see that on your doorstep when you get home.